This is a brief overview on how to program the Phoenix contact kW meter supplied with the Airleader controller. In order to program the unit, we have to push the program key for 3 seconds. Next, we have to put in a code. With the left arrow, we go to which position, and then we have to put in 100. This is our access to the unit, and then we hit OK. Now we have to set again with the left arrow, and then up or down, which way we wanna basically measure. So whether you have 1 CT or 3 CT and so on and so forth. This is described actually on page 4, 5, 6, 7 on the menu which I just showed to you. Okay, in my case, I have only 1 CT and 3 lines coming in, so it's a 3 BL. So I just push enter. Now it's programmed, so I go down to the next step. Now we have to basically say what the CT is. The CT can be set, if it's a Phoenix contact CT, you can set the amps with the dip switches. I selected 400, and in this case it's a 400 to 1 amp. You may select other CTs, which maybe is a 500 to 5 or whatever may be the case. But you have to basically select what you want, and again with the left arrow you go to the right position and you go up or down to change this. And then you can go up or down to change this also. And I want to go back, and then you say OK. Then you go to the next, and here it's just some statistical information on how to reset an average. I'm not so much going into these details. What I'm going is I have the analog output box, and I program now the analog output box by just going there and say OK again. Go to the left, and here I could change 0 to 20 or whatever may be the case. I have a 4 to 20. I say OK, and then I'm going down what I want to measure, and I go left again, and now I can basically change and you need to find out what you want to measure. But in my case, I want to measure the power, and the sum of all power we are measuring, so it's sum P, and I push enter again, and then I go further on and I say LV is a low value. At 4 milliampere it's 0, and then I go to the next step and it says HV, which is high value, and I decided to make it 400 kilowatt, and that's basically how you would scale at the Airleader as well. And then I hit OK. With this it's programmed, and I just hit the program key again for 3 seconds. Now the unit is programmed. Very important is that you make the test. So basically you have to push test for 3 seconds. Now you have to go basically and change to yes here. Again, left arrow and then up or down. Push enter, and now it runs a test, and if the lines are being not at the right spot, it would adjust for that. So it's an auto adjust just in that. And just hit test for 3 seconds, and you're back to your screen, and that's basically all you have to do to use this unit with the Airleader.